With 15 years of experience, MTE has become a well-known supplier with a wide range of products and solutions for online monitoring of dissolved gases in transformer oil. With its comprehensive product range for the online monitoring of transformers, MTE offers both the extension of the transformer lifetime and the contribution to a more secure high-voltage power transmission. The first online DGA analyzers appeared in the 80s. Up to now, most multi-gas systems with more than 2 gases have been based on laboratory gas chromatography technologies and have not been developed for real on-site applications. These systems are usually very large, unlike MTE HYDROCAL devices, which are compact and lightweight in their design. The installation and implementation of such systems also usually requires a lot of effort. The installation is indirect via piping, unlike MTE HYDROCAL devices, which are directly installed on the transformer valve. MTE HYDROCAL devices are capable of being transported and can be easily installed on other transformers without a huge effort from the user. Some systems need regular maintenance for the extraction system or for the measurement of gases or even recalibration during operation, thereby requiring the use of carrier gases. Multi-gas systems that can measure up to 9 gases and moisture individually are generally very complex technologically and often combine many moving components and therefore have the disadvantages of a high potential risk of failure in comparison to systems using fewer moving parts. The challenge of MTE is now to design online monitoring systems that meet the high requirements of our customers, which means they can be connected to transformers for many years with the highest reliability. The new HYDROCAL genX product family is the first truly maintenance-free multi-gas online DGA solution combining proven near-infrared measuring technology with vacuum-protected membrane extraction. As hydrogen is involved in nearly every fault of the insulation system of power transformers, and carbon monoxide is a sign of the involvement of the cellulose or paper insulation, the presence and increase of acetylene, ethylene and methane further classifies the nature of the fault as overheating discharge, partial discharge or high energy arcing. The HYDROCAL 1006 genX also provides diagnostic tools such as Duval's triangle or Dornenberg and Rogers ratio. Individual measurement of hydrogen, carbon monoxide and acetylene for the HYDROCAL 1004 genX, and additional ethylene and methane for the HYDROCAL 1006 genX. Moisture in oil measurement. Easy to mount on a transformer valve. Easy to mount on the operating transformer without any operational interruption. Maintenance-free system due to significantly fewer movable parts, only 2 valves and 1 compressor. Advanced software on the HYDROCAL device and via PC with intuitive operation by 7-inch color TFT touchscreen, WLAN and WEBSERVER operation from any smartphone, tablet or notebook PC. The 80 employees of MTE are distributed across many sites. There's Zug in Switzerland, our headquarters, and Brakel in Germany, our state-of-the-art production facility, as well as our R&D center. Acting through its sister companies and its global network of more than 90 local distributors, MTE has thousands of installations to its credit.